Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best body oils available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Bio Oil Body Oil. You can give your skin a break while stuck inside. It's the perfect time to take care of your skin with Bio Oil Skincare Oil. It is made for all skin types. This paraben-free body oil for dry skin can be used to help reduce the appearance of stretch marks, scars and other marks due to surgery, injury, acne, aging, pregnancy and more. This facial skincare product has a fast-absorbing non-comedogenic formula that won't clog pores, which is why it is the perfect face moisturizer for women. It helps the skin to retain essential moisture to soften skin and provide dry skin relief. Bio oil has a wide variety of uses and can be used as a facial moisturizer, lip moisturizer and hair moisturizer. Bio oil is also an oil for hair, and because of its deeply moisturizing properties, it makes a great hair oil for black women. At number 6 we have Hemps Body Oil. This 24-hour moisturizing body oil helps to improve the appearance of scars, stretch marks, dry, damaged skin, uneven skin tone, aging skin and fine lines and wrinkles. It is made with cocoa butter to moisturize, argan oil to soften and condition, plus a blend of ingredients to hydrate and improve skin imperfections while promoting healthy skin cell rejuvenation. The unique rapidermal absorption system allows for optimal delivery of the powerful ingredients to deliver targeted skin benefits and allows one to dress immediately after application. The beauty products and hair and skin treatments feature real high-quality plant-based ingredients in formulas that really work to hydrate and soften, from lip balm to bar soap to body butter. At number 5 we have Neutrogena Body Oil. You can pamper your skin with Neutrogena Lightweight Body Oil, a sheer moisturizing experience. This lightweight body oil is made with a delicate sesame formula that vanishes into the skin, providing essential hydration for dry skin. While your skin is still damp after a shower or bath, smooth on a few drops of body oil. In the bath you can add to water to soften your skin while you bathe. This moisturizing sheer body oil absorbs quickly and leaves skin feeling soft and silky. For healthier looking skin you can apply oil directly to knees, cuticles and elbows. This massage into skin for 20 seconds or until oil has fully absorbed. At number 4 we have Hemps Body Oil. Pamper's Cocoa Butter Formula Moisturizing Body Oil is a light oil that is specially formulated with pure cocoa butter and vitamin E to help soften and soothe rough, dry skin. This fast-absorbing antioxidant-rich formula contains soybean, sesame and safflower and provides all-day 24-hour moisture for dry skin. You can add this lightly scented oil to your bath or apply it after your shower. Pamper's Cocoa Butter Formula Moisturizing Body Oil is a light oil specially formulated with pure cocoa butter and vitamin E to help soften and soothe rough, dry skin. This fast-absorbing rich formula containing soybean, sesame and safflower and provides all-day 24-hour moisture. At number 3 we have Amazon Body Oil. Selimo Body Oil Gel with cocoa butter is formulated without parabens. For best results you can apply while skin is still damp from bath or shower for superior moisturization. The formulas are designed to moisturize and care for skin so you can look and feel great. You can use daily to help refresh very dry skin. For best results apply while skin is still damp from the bath or shower. It is formulated without parabens. At number 2 we have Hemps Body Oil. You can enjoy radiant skin with the Hemps Hydrating Bath and Body Oil. With a tropical scent of sweet pineapple and honey melon for a carefree mood, this bath oil for dry skin is enriched with pure hemp seed oil to lock in hydration. The luxurious body oils for women are designed to deliver antioxidants and help reinforce the skin's natural barrier. This unique scented body oil is silky, lightweight and non-greasy to make it an essential skin moisturizer oil. This moisturizing bath oil includes pineapple extract to help condition skin, and honey melon extract to provide vitamins A and E to promote natural moisture and protect against UV damage. Shea butter helps moisturize and soften. At number 1 we have Neutrogena Body Oil. This 32 fluid ounce pump bottle of moisturizing body oil for dry skin with a light sesame oil formula that glides on easily to help hydrate and soften skin. The lightweight body oil pampers your skin as a sheer moisturizer that instantly vanishes and absorbs quickly into skin. That's providing essential hydration that leaves skin feeling soft and silky. This sesame body oil provides instant hydration for dry skin and leaves it with a radiant, healthy glow. This lightweight body oil is made with a delicate sesame formula that vanishes into the skin, providing essential hydration for dry skin. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best body oils for your need.